Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about how to remove send connection requests on LinkedIn. Now before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video, let's say there is a person that I have recently sent a request for connection, and you can see it will be highlighted as pending on their profile. Now if you want to simply remove it, click on this, and once you do, you will see an option of withdraw. Now an important point to be noted here is that if you withdraw now, you will not be able to resend to this person a connection request for up to 3 weeks. So that is something that you should keep in your mind. Simply click on withdraw and you can see the connect option is visible again, and that's how you can easily remove send connection requests on LinkedIn. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can simply consider subscribing. As well, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is something that you should not miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends and see you in the next video.